Have you ever wanted to know how to make a woman miss you badly? Today, I'm going to quickly run through 29 little tips you can use to achieve this. Let's dive into it. First up, independence. Nothing makes you more attractive than having your own life. Show her you have hobbies, passions, and ambitions outside of your relationship. 2. Surprise texts. A random thinking of you message or a funny meme can brighten her day and make her miss your presence even more. 3. Create memorable moments. Whether it's an adventure in the city or a quiet evening at home, making unique memories together ensures she'll miss those times when you're apart. 4. Be genuinely interested in her day, dreams, and fears. Listening and engaging with her thoughts shows you care, making her crave those conversations. 5. Leave things behind subtly. A hoodie, a book, or even your favorite mug. These items will remind her of you and your time together. 6. Voice messages. In a world of texts and emails, a voice message can be a heartwarming surprise that she can listen to whenever she misses your voice. 7. Support her ambitions. Being her cheerleader in pursuits and celebrating her successes makes your presence invaluable and deeply missed when you're not around. 8. Make inside jokes. They create a private world between the two of you, and she'll miss those moments of shared laughter. 9. Show kindness. Small acts of love and kindness, like bringing her coffee or sending a good morning text, stick with her long after. 10. Maintain your scent. Whether it's your cologne on a pillow or a scarf, scents trigger memories and emotions, making her miss you more. 11. Have meaningful conversations. Deep talks about life, the universe, or your future dreams make your connection stronger and your absence felt more deeply. 12. Be unpredictable. Break routines with spontaneous plans or surprises. It keeps the excitement alive, and she'll miss the thrill of not knowing what's next. 13. Leave her wanting more. Whether it's ending calls on a high note or leaving dates at the peak of enjoyment, it leaves her looking forward to the next encounter. 14. Show respect for her time and space. By not being overly clingy, you give her room to miss you. 15. Share new experiences together. Trying new activities bonds you closer and gives her fond memories to look back on. 16. Be positive and uplifting. Your optimistic outlook can become something she misses during tougher days. 17. Have your own signature goodbye. Whether it's a special hug, a phrase, or a gesture, it becomes a tender reminder of you. 18. Leave thoughtful notes. Finding unexpected messages in her car, bag, or anywhere she might stumble upon them later can brighten her day and make her miss your thoughtfulness. 19. Take interest in her interests, even if you're not into them. Showing you care about her passions makes her value your support and company. 20. Be patient and understanding. Showing you're there for her, even when things get tough, makes your presence something she won't want to be without. 21. Cultivate a sense of mystery about you. Share enough to keep her intrigued, but not everything all at once. She'll miss the excitement of gradually discovering more about you. 22. Make her feel safe and protected. Being someone she can rely on in times of need will make your absence felt more acutely. 23. Celebrate her uniqueness. Compliment what makes her special. She'll miss those boosts of confidence you provide. 24. Plan your next meeting before you part. Having something to look forward to can make the wait more bearable and her anticipation to see you grow. 25. Be her calm in the storm. If you're someone she turns to for comfort, she'll miss that security when you're not around. 26. Physical touch. A lingering hug or a gentle touch on the back can leave a lasting impression that she'll yearn for. 27. Be an active listener. Showing that you truly listen and remember the details she shares makes her feel cherished and missed. 28. Encourage her to pursue her own interests. Supporting her independence ironically makes her value your presence and companionship even more. And finally, be yourself. Authenticity is compelling. She'll miss the real connection and genuine interactions that come from being true to who you are. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy these videos, please like, comment, and subscribe for more.